Welcome to the final video in this 4-part video series for the ASR 9000 series line card. In this video, you'll see how to repackage the defective line card for return shipment back to the Cisco Asset Recovery team. Cisco recommends that you use only the original RMA packaging to transport the line card. As part of the Cisco RMA process, you must return the defective unit only in the Cisco-provided packaging in which the replacement unit was delivered. Ensure that you also return all packaging accessories, such as the ESD bag, foam cushions, and the pink rolled foam along with it. We recommend that you first inspect the packaging material to avoid shipping the defective unit in damaged or torn packaging. To order fresh packaging material, please get in touch with your Cisco Sales Account Manager. Before you begin repackaging the defective line card, make sure that you have all the required tools and equipment with you. Ensure that you follow the ESD safety instructions. You must wear ESD gloves to prevent electrostatic discharge. It's possible for one person to handle the line card. However, to ensure convenience and safe handling, it's always advisable for 2 people to carry the card. You're now set to repackage the defective line card. Open the carton seal. Remove all packaging peripherals from the carton. Place the pink foam on a flat surface. The pink foam acts as an anti-static medium for the uninstalled card that you are repackaging. Lift the inner packaging box that contains the wooden baseboard and place it on a flat surface. The instructions to repackage the line card are also printed on the inner packaging box. Open the seal of the inner packaging box. Open the ESD bag and remove the wooden baseboard. Unscrew the 3 screws from the plastic blocker. Slide the line card through the plastic side rails of the wooden baseboard. Depending on the line card being packaged, orient the plastic blocker according to the instructions printed on the top face of the blocker. Tighten the 3 screws to affix the plastic blocker to the wooden baseboard. Place the wooden baseboard inside the ESD bag. Fold and seal the ESD bag. Close the inner packaging box and seal it. Place the bottom foam cushion into the outer packaging box. Place the sealed line card package sideways into the foam cushion. Place the pink rolled foam inside the outer packaging box between the sealed line card package and the outer packaging box. Place the foam cushion on the sealed line card package. Close and seal the outer packaging box and complete the return procedure. Your line card is now ready to be shipped. For more information about repackaging the line card, refer to this guide. This brings us to the end of the video series where you saw how to unpack, install, remove, and repackage a Cisco ASR 9000 series line card. Thank you for watching.